Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you generate data of local businesses using Google. So if you want to learn how to scrape data of local businesses here on Google, this video is going to teach you how to do it. So by the end of today's tutorial video, you're going to be learning how I was able to extract data that looks like this. Okay, so you can see I basically extracted data from Google, and currently I have some companies, what's it called, some companies, their names, the company's name. I also have their website URL, and I also have their contacts. So it doesn't really matter what kind of data you want to extract from Google, you'll be able to do it by watching this video. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to run over and show you guys how you do it for yourself, guys. So but please, right before I show you guys the strategy, please make sure, if you find this video so helpful, please make sure you smash the like button in appreciation. And should, in case you want to reach out to me or you have a question, you can just let me know in the comment section below, and immediately I get the question, I'll be so happy to respond to it. Okay, and you can also leave me a nice comment if you actually love the video and you would love to see more of such video, right? So let me just head over to my web browser and show you guys how you do it for yourself. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go over to Google, and basically Google is very fast, and I'm going to teach you how you use Google to get the data you need for certain local businesses, right? So what you want to do is head over to a new browser page, and you want to search for the industry or whatever thing you want to get data from. So I'm just going to work with the plumbers. Okay, I want to get data of plumbers in New York City. So I'm just going to click on New York City. Very good. So it is very important that even after you've been able to fix in your industry, you need to put in the location as well, because that is would channel, okay, and give you a detailed search on whatever thing you put here, right? So I'm just going to click on search, and automatically you see you're going to be having access to so many features here, so many content here. But we are going to filter again by heading over to the maps. Okay, we want to make use of Google Maps, right? So I'm going to click on maps, and automatically you're going to be seeing access that Google is going to be showing me location of local businesses that are active, all right? And I can get their contact addresses, I can get their names, also their website, and so many other data that I'll be needing, right? So it is so easy and very simple to do. But guys, now the problem here is, how do we get all this data saved on our spreadsheet, or how do we get all of them script all at once? And the reason why I would love to do it using my method is because with my method it is so super and so easy and fast and free to use. Because most times I see so many people do copy and paste, but that actually takes time. It takes time, and it would actually take you time to get to your first 100 leads, or maybe to your first 100 data script, right? But with this free tool that I'm about to share with you, you'll be able to script data online absolutely for free, and you can do this unlimited. Okay, you have no restrictions entirely. So for this tool, we are going to be making use of instant data scraper. Okay, so instant data scraper basically is a free online extension toolbar that you can use to scrape data from any website. So if you are actually a subscriber, you realize that in my past video I showed you how to use those free tools to scrape data of a particular website, and you see how easy it is, right? And that is the same method we'll be making use of right here, right now into this video, right? So you want to head over to your Chrome web store, and you want to make sure you add this browser to your extension box, right? So for me, you can see I have it, and that is why it is telling me to remove from Chrome. But for you, if you don't have it, it's going to say add to Chrome, right? So what you're going to do right now is you want to add it to your Chrome, and once you add it to your Chrome, you want to make sure you pin it. So let me show you what I mean by pin it. So you can see here I have it here, instant data scraper, and it is being pinned. So you want to make sure you pin it. If it is pinned, it will show blue. If it is not pinned, it's going to show white. So click on pin, it's going to show blue, right? And the next thing is, you've been able to add up the instant data scraper extension on your laptop. The next thing you want to do right now is head over to your search, okay, from Google, and the next thing is we need to start scraping all of the data that we find here on Google. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to open up the instant data scraper extension, and once I open it, you can see it's going to say please wait, and automatically, guys, it's going to start scraping all of the data for me. So you can see we've been able to get over 14 data script, and we have access to the company's name, we also have access to their addresses, we also have access to their to their phone numbers, we also have access to their website, and so many other details like that. But should, in case you want to get more, okay, let me show you a trick that you can use in getting more search result for yourself. So you want to close this, okay, You want to minimize that, and what you want to do right now is you want to just keep on going all the way down. Okay, you want to keep on going all the way down, because the more the more you go down, okay, the more it's going to help you keep on scraping all the data. So you want to keep on going down, you want to keep on going down, because the more you go down, it's going to help you get all the data that you need. So let's just go back and check how many we've been able to get, right? So I'm just going to open that again and show you guys how many we have been able to get for ourselves. So you can see we've been able to get 39 from 17. We got 39. So here's the trick I use in getting more results from Google Maps using instant data scraper. So the more you go down, the more data you'll be getting for yourself. So you want to keep on doing this until you are satisfied with the results that you have gotten, right? So you want to keep on doing this until you get your first 1,000 and maybe your second 2,000, and you want to keep on repeating the process, and you'll be able to start scraping data, and you can use this data for lead generation. Maybe you sell this data to people on Fiverr, or you can also use this for your business. Maybe you're into social media marketing and you need leads. Okay, you can use this for any industry and can keep on getting leads for yourself, guys. So if you found this video so helpful, please make sure you smash the like button, appreciation, and also drop me a comment if you have any question, or maybe you love this video and you want me to shoot out more videos like this. Please make sure you tell me in the comment section below. In my next video, I'm going to see you. So please make sure you use this wisely, and also share this video with somebody who might be interested in it. Okay, bye and see you later.